All right, so this is the VICSEED Easy Clip car mount holder. Nothing really around the box. Their logo on the side, and the back has the model, the CTE Z11 VICSEED Gooseneck car phone mount. So we will go ahead and pull our tape here. There's actually some tape. Okay, and right on the top is the main phone mount with our little trusty lug nut here. The button here to release the sides. This back looks like carbon fiber, but it's not, of course. And then just squeeze your sides to get your phone to fit. Take that out. Then what all do we have down here? Oh boy. That's it for the box. This is a double-sided mount you can use where you peel this side off, stick it to your dash, and then you're able to stick this to it. This one looks a little different than what I'm used to, which is a good thing. So this is your normal clip for mounting this to a vent clip. You would just take this, put it on, pop that into place, tighten it, and then put this in your vents and tighten it. And then at that point, your vents are holding your mount. You take your phone, drop it in place, boom, you're good to go. You get to your destination, you hit your button, you grab your phone, and you're done. Now, this is what's the special star about this one, is this mount here. Look at that, that's pretty freaking awesome. So you've got your normal sticky stuff here on the bottom with a nice clip to hold that down. You can loosen this to adjust this up and down, but the best part is this is adjustable however you need. And then just like the other one, take this, you put it on top here, push that in, and then tighten it. And there you go. Take your phone, pop in, boom. This thing is holding your phone, and you're able to turn it and mount it whatever way you really want. Very nice. I think that should do it for the VICSEED Easy Clip car mount, the Gooseneck car phone mount.